Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and today I'm going to show you how to style a table for a special occasion. So the first thing we're going to do is grab a tablecloth, and I like to stick them in the centre of the table, still showing a little bit of the table each side. So when I set the tables, I generally like to put a dinner plate, and then on top of that, it's all about layers again, we've got the side plate. It's a little bit of a special occasion. I love to use some statement cutlery and have a go at these babies. Like bamboo and gold, can't go wrong. So every table for a special occasion needs a centerpiece, and that's what we're going to create now. What I love using is a little bit of height. So, you know, a vase with some palms, sticking to that theme that we've kind of already created. Again, a nice little ice bucket in rattan, because who doesn't love rattan? I then love bringing in different finishes. So gold is obviously always my go-to, some fresh limes. We've got a bottle opener, and then have a go at these little salt and pepper shakers. If they're not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. And finally, I love styling with candles, especially a table. It sets that beautiful mood. So we've got these ones from Ecoya, and how I like to place them throughout a table is one kind of bigger one, and then I just like to scatter some little ones throughout the table. These candles, I mean, honest to goodness, I had these last Christmas, and that's what I love about a candle. It evokes a memory in you, and these are pine needles. They smell absolutely beautiful, and they're perfect for Christmas or that kind of holiday feel. Ecoya have the most beautiful range of candles and body products, so go to their website today and check out their range.